This was our last official day for outdoor fun in Thailand, so we woke up a bit early to make the most of it. Before heading for our breakfast, we decided to explore our hotel a bit. After all, it was a 5-star property with all the possible luxuries that you can imagine. Hey guys, so today is the final day of our trip and we are at the Asia's largest outdoor market. Even though this door that you are seeing, this is a smaller one, but there are so many doors to this market and we are lucky that we have actually found one. Now to talk about the journey, it was very smooth. We actually rode tuk-tuk on our way to reach here because of again Bangkok traffic and less cab. Now April is on the corner and it is very scorching heat, so I feel that staying hydrated will be the key as we explore the market. So let us go in and let us show you what all is available in Chatuchak. Also, if you are in Bangkok, this is the best place for you to take souvenirs back to your home. If you ever get a chance to visit Bangkok, make sure to stop by the famous Chatuchak Weekend Market. It is known as the world's largest weekend market with over 15,000 stalls divided across 26 different sections. This place is more like a treasure hunt. You can find almost anything here, from clothes and handmade art to rare plants, antiques and so much more. We did not miss to try the Bangkok special coconut ice cream here, which is served in a coconut shell itself. It was quite an unique way of indulging into an ice cream. The market opens only on Saturdays and Sundays from 9 in the morning to 6 in the evening. This market is one of the best places to experience the vibrant energy of downtown Bangkok. Hello guys, it's around 4:30 right now. After around 5 hours of shopping, we are now finally going back to our hotel. There is one thing, we have actually did only 5 hours of shopping because when we entered into the market, we realized that it's going to be a really big market and there is so much to explore. Everyone will have anything that they wish, they will get it in the Chatuchak market. That's what we have realized. Even for the brand lovers, you will be able to get first copies at a very decent price. Just two things that I would like to mention. If you want to get the best deal in Chatuchak market, there are two things that you have to follow. First of all, don't hesitate to bargain. You will only be able to get the best deal if you bargain. And the second thing, don't shop from the first shop that you are seeing. Just go into the market, get the sense of the pricing, and then buy it, and try to buy it from the stores which are inside the market, not located at the outside. Yep, these are the two takeaways that we had, and this is one bag that is full of things that we have bought, and this is another bag. So we are bringing the whole Chatuchak market in to India right now. Anyways, now we'll go back to our hotel, quickly have some lunch, and then take a shower, and then we will plan for our next next attraction, that I would say. We are going to go to Baiyoke Sky Hotel for our dinner, and that's going to be the last thing that we will do in Bangkok. Then with a sad heart, we will return back to India. Hello guys, 5:30 p.m. We are almost ready for our last stop of Bangkok and Thailand trip. So we are going to go to Baiyoke Hotel for our dinner, and this is going to be a premium balcony sitting from where we will be seeing the night sky of Bangkok. So I am very excited to see the skyline, how it looks from the 83rd floor of Baiyoke Sky Hotel. So just to show you from where actually we are heading from my room, as you are seeing in the left side, there is one building at the very distant, that is known as Mahanakhon Skywalk. That is the second tallest building of Thailand. That's where we went yesterday to get our photos clicked. And here you see the right hand side, the two buildings are there, right? Any of them we will be having the dinner. So we actually are not quite sure which building we are going to have, because both of them are operated by Baiyoke, but probably my guess is the right hand side, the most right one will be heading towards. Now having said that, this is going to be the last thing that we will do in Thailand. So even though it's been a fun ride, but still there is an element of sadness always there, but still I am very hopeful and very excited for this one to go really good. So let us go there and explore how Bangkok looks at the night time.
One of the most unforgettable parts of our Bangkok trip was our visit to Baiyoke Sky Hotel. This place offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire Bangkok skyline. They have an observation deck on the 77th floor, and if that is not enough, there is a revolving viewpoint on the 84th floor. The revolving viewpoint slowly turns a full circle, giving you a 360-degree view of the city.
Hello guys, so we have just reached the Baiyoke Sky Hotel. It was around 10 minutes walk. As you can see that our hotel right now, which is just next beside this place, this looks very small in comparison to this, even from the 77th floor. We are actually at the observation deck right now. We are actually taking a look at the Bangkok city skyline from here, and it's good that we have been able to reach at the before the sunset. So right now we are going to explore this place a little bit for some time, and post that we are going to go to the revolving viewpoint from where the whole Bangkok 360-degree view will be visible to us at very ease. Even we won't have to walk to see that view, because the plate itself will revolve. Yeah guys, too much excitement, can't wait to see everything now. So basically from 77th floor you have to walk to 84th floor. It's stairs at the end of the day. We are Indians, so it's kind of difficult, but nevertheless once you come and reach the spot, the view is absolutely mesmerizing. Even you won't have to walk to enjoy the whole view. It's 360 all around Bangkok. Enjoy guys.
We had booked their special dinner package online, which also included outdoor sitting, right under the open sky, with the glittering city lights below us. The whole package costed us around 8,500 for 2 people, and they even gave us 2 complimentary drinks. The experience felt nothing short of magical. Watching the city from that height with a cool breeze and good food, it's something that added a whole new dimension to our Bangkok journey. Truly, it was a memory to cherish. The next morning, we had our breakfast a little bit early, just to keep everything on schedule. It was our last few hours in Bangkok, and there was quite a mix of excitement and a bit of sadness as the trip was coming to an end. Our flight was scheduled at 12:20 p.m. from Bangkok to Bangalore. Before boarding our flight, we decided to have lunch at the Coral Lounge at Bangkok's Suvarnabhumi airport. The food spread there was quite decent, nothing too fancy, but good enough to enjoy a relaxed meal before the journey. And of course, we could not leave Thailand without having pad thai one last time. Sitting there in the lounge, with our plates full and hearts fuller, it felt like the perfect way to wrap up our Thai adventure.